What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new Air Jordan 1 Low OG, Year of the Dragon. Let's get into it. Start off with this box. It's like a nice green and cream box. It has a Nike right here on top. You got the same on this side, same on this side. And if you look closely to the box, it has like these different patterns. There's a very glossy going throughout the upper top of the box, which is very nice and clean. But let's go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. And it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, and the colorway is Sail, Cedar, and Oil Green. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, you got your stamp of approval right there on top of the box. And it does come with this tissue paper that has like a dragon on the tissue paper, and it's gold, which is very nice and clean. Behind that, you just had a white cream tissue paper. That's it for the insides of the box. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Air Jordan 1 Low OG, Year of the Dragon. Alright, started off by saying these right here are very nice and clean. As we all know, we're in the Chinese New Year, so Nike collaborated with them and came up with the Year of the Dragon right here. It's not Air Jordan 1 Low, which is very clean. I'm loving this colorway, and everything about the shoe is nice and different, and I'm just loving the patterns that's going throughout the upper of the shoe. Let me go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. You got this nice green, like a suede-ish material, but it's kind of giving you that dragon imprint going throughout the whole upper of the shoe, which is very nice and clean. If you see that, you can see the imprint going throughout the whole upper of that nice. I'm gonna give it, it says oil green, so we're gonna go ahead and go oil green throughout the whole upper, which is clean. Top of the toe, you got this nice like an off-white leather on top of the toe right there. Very nice and clean. Very good quality premium leather. Can't be mad at that. Loving that on the shoe. Coming to the side where you had this nice like a, it says red, so but to me it looks like a more of a Bordeaux maroon colorway right here on the side on this Nike check, and it's kind of giving you that nice shiny feel to it. So you look close, you can see that kind of satin shiny feel to that Nike chip right there on the side of the shoe. Flip it to the back of the heel, you got that nice big wing Air Jordan in the back of the heel with that gold and maroon colorway on the back of the heel, which is clean. And you still had that nice oil green coming throughout the back of the heel also, and that nice looking like a dragon material. And I said suede, but this is leather, so nice leather material coming throughout the back of the shoe also. Inside the shoe, you got that Air Jordan symbol. Look like a symbol with the Jordan inside, like a, I guess a Chinese New Year symbol. I guess you could correct me if I'm wrong, but let me know what that is right there. I see the Air Jordan symbol on the inside, clean, just a nice, smooth Bordeaux color on the inside. Come across the sock liner right here. You had this nice, like, silver liner. It's very like a satin silver right here on the inside of the sock liner right there. That's very nice and clean, different. I like it. On the back of the tongue, you have the Jumpman symbol. Looks like it's surrounded by a dragon on the back of the heel right there. Very clean, very detailed, very liking that. Like, flip it back to the front of the shoe, you got the nice maroon shoelaces. These didn't come with extra laces. That's one thing. My only complaint about the shoe is no extra laces. Like, come on now. You could have gave us some extra laces with these Nike. I understand you wanted to go with just this specific colorway, but you could have threw in some sail laces or even some green laces if you want. Any other lace would have been better, just didn't know laces. So we didn't get any extra laces with these, but of course, if I had an extra pair of laces, I probably would switch them out with like a sail colorway lace, or either, yeah, it's probably just sail. That's what I think would bring these out. Look, you know, put a little extra pop to the shoe. Going back to the top of the tongue right here, you got your Nike Air in this gold color right here on top of the tongue with that Nike in gold in the background, that nice Bordeaux maroon colorway. Coming to the midsole, you had this nice like a sail midsole, which is clean. And then we flip it to the bottom when we had that nice translucent clear icy bottom on the bottom of the shoe with your normal Nike on the bottom of the shoe also. Very nice and very clean, detailed shoe. I like them a lot. Like I said, I'm loving this dragon print that they got going throughout the whole upper. To me, that just brings the shoe out and gives it all the life that it needs. And plus, it's an Air Jordan 1 Low. You can never go wrong with Air Jordan 1 Low OGs, in my opinion. Love them. Fortunately, couldn't get these in my size. They only started men's size 7. You know, I need a men's size 6. So definitely went ahead and caught them for the hubs. And he loves them, and shoot, I was like, let me go ahead and get my review in on them before you wear them, because it's just a very nice, clean shoe, and I'm I like them. So y'all let me know down in the comment below what y'all think about these, the Air Jordan 1 Low OG, Year of the Dragon, as we are in the Chinese New Year as of this year, 2024. Y'all let me know down in the comment below what y'all think about these. Did you go for them, or did you pass on them, waiting on something else? Just let me know down in the comment below what y'all thinking. But that was the left shoe. Right shoe looks the same as that. Well, you got that nice green dragon print going throughout the whole upper with that nice Bordeaux Nike chick, kind of like a satin feel to it, which is very clean. Back of the heel, you got your Air Jordan Jumpman symbol on the back, and that printed in that Bordeaux maroon stitching with that nice gold background. Inside, you got the Air Jordan symbol with that nice gold going around it, and in the back of the tongue, you still have that Air Jordan symbol wrapped around it in a dragon right there. Then you got that nice silver, like a satin sock liner, which is very clean. Sail midsole, and then you got that icy translucent bottom on the bottom of the shoes. Overall, very clean shoe, very clean feel. It's Air Jordan 1, and like I said, these are very clean. At first, I thought they were super limited, but we caught the restock, so I'm glad I did. And overall, not a bad price. I think it was like $160 in men's sizes, and you probably can get them in the resale market right now for around the same price or a little lower. So if you really like these and you wasn't able to cop on the original date or on the restock, then you could definitely go to your resale markets and get them there. But overall, very nice, very clean shoe. Y'all let me know down in the comment below what y'all think about the Air Jordan 1 OG Year of the Dragon. One more thing, it did come with this red packet right here. After I read different details about this, they said that they usually give these out in China to people, and they usually have money in them. This one has a Jumpman symbol with the dragon going around it on the front of the little packet right here. Then on the back of the packet, you got the Jumpman symbol surrounded by the gold also. Let's open it up and see if Nike gave us some money. I know they didn't. So, of course, they gave us this little bracelet right here, which is very nice. It's like a little silver bracelet right here with your Air Jordan symbol on the inside with these little beads hanging. The same little symbol that's on the shoe, it's on this little bracelet thing right here. I was thinking it could have been an anklet, but it's too small for an anklet, so I guess it's just a bracelet, or if you want to wear them on your shoe, I don't know. But personally, I think it's just something just nice to have and just maybe to hang up somewhere. But overall, you're not gonna wear it nowhere else, I don't think, in my opinion. But if you like to wear it, then hey, that's up to you. But me personally, I wouldn't. But overall, just a nice little clean thing that they added and gave us inside of the box in this nice little red packet that came on the inside of the box, which is clean. It's different. Hey, anytime you get a little extra little incentive with a shoe, you can't be mad at it. So I'm not mad at it. Like it is a nice little red packet. Overall, very nice, very clean, nice additive, a nice thing to add into the package. So overall, clean shoe. Like I said, this was the Air Jordan 1 Low Retro OG Year of the Dragon. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these, but that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Don't stay tuned for the on foot because you won't have one. But until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.